Hey everybody, Sean and Corey back with another security tip in honor of Security Awareness Month for the month of October. This month we're going to talk about phishing emails. Corey, you got a tip for us?
Yeah, when it comes to phishing emails, any email that looks out of place, like a domain that shouldn't be sending to you, maybe outside of the business, maybe a display name is spoofed, or maybe in the subject line they're asking you for some type of payment. Always send that email to help desk. That way they can review the email and let you know if it's malicious or not. A good rule of thumb is that anytime an email is asking for payment where you do not know who the sender is, you should not move any further with that email before sending it to help desk.
Yeah, sounds about right. If you like what you hear, make sure you check us out on Tuesdays. Every morning we're doing Q&As, so just any open questions. If you have any more else that you want to ask about phishing, you can always ask us then, or feel free to check out any of our past podcasts where we do cover the subject quite a bit. Feel free to drop a link or a comment below, and we can get back to you. Thanks for watching.